Sea turtles have a history dating back over 100 million years, surviving since the time of the dinosaurs. These ancient reptiles have adapted to life in the oceans, migrating across vast distances. Despite their long history, they now face threats from habitat loss, poaching, pollution, and climate change, putting many species at risk of extinction. Sea turtles have a varied diet depending on their species. Some, like the green sea turtle, are herbivores, primarily eating seagrass and algae. Others, such as the loggerhead and hawksbill turtles, are omnivores, feeding on jellyfish, crustaceans, sponges, and small fish. Leatherback turtles mainly consume jellyfish, helping to control jellyfish populations in the ocean ecosystem. There are approximately 360 species of turtles. These species include tortoises, freshwater terrapins, and sea turtles. Turtles are divided into two groups: Pleurodira side-necked turtles, and Cryptodira hidden-necked turtles based on how they retract their heads. Turtles can be found in various regions around the world, and some live in or around water. Number of eggs a turtle lays can vary significantly depending on the species. Most turtles typically lay between 1 to 30 eggs in a single clutch, although some larger species, like the leatherback sea turtle, can lay up to 100 eggs or more at a time. Turtles generally choose sandy or soft soil to dig nests, where they bury their eggs to protect them from predators. After laying eggs, turtles do not provide any parental care, and the eggs incubate in the nest until they hatch, which can take anywhere from 45 days to several months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. The lifespan of turtles varies widely depending on the species. Generally, most turtles can live for several decades, with many species living between 20 to 80 years. Some of the larger species, like the Galapagos tortoise, can live over 100 years, with some individuals even reaching 150 years or more. Environmental factors, habitat conditions, and threats from predators and human activities can all influence their lifespan.